Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a video review on this MessageStor dry erase board. Got it from Costco for about 20 bucks. Has a wood style frame, glossy white stain resistant surface, Versatrack easy mounting system. It includes 6 magnets, 1 magnetic eraser, and 6 double-ended magnet markers. And it's item number 4416244. Alright, we're off to a great start. Just finished unboxing it, and one of the magnets fell out of the little plastic thing. That quickly. Alright, so we're replacing our old pin board that was there in the yellow. First thing you want to do, figure out roughly what height you want this at. So it looks like the thickness of the trim is about 2 inches, so take that into account when you're drilling your holes. It's about 2 inches from the top hole. They do give you a handy dandy template that you can cut off the sheet. Alright, so having completed this task, I have one recommendation to help you install. Using the mounting template, pre-insert the metal hanging brackets into the frame of the dry erase board. Do not just hang the brackets on the wall and then figure you can easily slip the board onto the brackets. You really can't without damaging or bending the brackets. So while it's off the wall, line up where the brackets are going to land using the template here, and then kind of shimmy them into the wood and create a groove and get them in there, because it's really hard to hang it. Use the gut to hold it, draw a line, roughly. No one's ever going to see it. First hole is going to be here. Gets my tape. Alright, right there is level. Drill the holes for the drywall anchors. Alright, take that down. A little crooked on that one. Do not like this mounting system one bit. Alright, then just hook it. This feels sketchy. I'm just bending it, I think. Okay, got that one. This side just bent instead of going into the wood. The instructions say simply to slip the bracket in between the frame, like there's a lot of space there when there is not. And this one went in relatively okay. I don't like how it... Alright, so this one was good, yep. And then this one... does not want to go into this side of the frame. Okay. It's not going into the frame, it's just bending. So, plan B, getting rid of this flimsy frame mount. Alright, I'm going to do what the designer should have did from the factory. Put a screw hole here. And for the head of the screw, okay. There we go. Okay. As you can see, my board is finally hung. I used some white paintable caulk to cover the screw holes. So let's get to testing the functionality. Alrighty, one of the most important things I wanted to check was the magnetic stuff. Oh, my hand. Hey, look at that. Oh, pretty nifty. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you gotta have the caps rotated the same. So if you take the cap off and you don't line it up perfectly, it's only got one magnet to hang with. And one magnet won't keep it, you know. So I figure what everyone probably does is they end up just using one and sticking it perpendicular. Let's see how the eraser works. You can still see what I wrote there a little bit. Come on, get off there. Oh. All right, let's see how that erases. It's like a smeared, blurry redness on the board, but you can't actually see what was written anymore, so that's not too bad. Just for fun, I'll do one of each color and try to erase it. So black, red. One's fine tip and one's blunt. Purple, orange, blue, green. All right, let's see how those erase vertically. Some of the magnets aren't strong enough to actually hold the marker in its spot. So it'll just kind of fall to the bottom. So that's cool. That could be a benefit, I guess. Unless you try to stick it up top and then it like smears all over your work slowly. They seem to work relatively well. And let's see how many pieces of paper they'll hold. All right, we got 3 sheets of paper here. All right. All right, 3 sheets is all right. Let's see if a magnet will hold a calendar. Nope. It'll hold a couple Costco receipts. Let's try a neodymium magnet. Oh yeah, much better. Oh, hang on. But it's almost as if there's not enough metal in the board for the neodymium magnet to hold very strongly. But it's still much better than this cheap magnet. So, all right, so I wrote this September 4th yesterday. It's now the 5th. Let's see how easily this erases. I can see a faint outline, but it doesn't get picked up on camera. Whereas this square that I drew yesterday that said thanks for watching is still faintly visible. So I did write Expo on here with an Expo marker. So we'll see how that erases. Oh yeah, that's perfectly gone. So as soon as you buy this, I'd recommend buying some Expo markers and Expo cleaning fluid. If you're in the store and you're thinking about it, for 20 bucks, it's not a bad deal. There are some problems. I mean, it was really an impulse buy, so. But it is nice not having to worry about my son choking on thumbtacks. So, thanks for watching.